VisionSync glasses are marketed as innovative eyewear that supposedly improves visual comfort and provide a better viewing experience. But the real question is, what's actually special about them, or are they mostly another pair of glasses with clever marketing? Now, to be fair, certain types of specialty glasses can offer legitimate benefits. Features such as prescription correction, blue light filtering, anti-reflective coatings, and photochromic lenses can improve comfort for some users in specific situations. What it does well may reduce glare and visual discomfort. If the lenses include anti-reflective coatings, they can help reduce reflections and improve viewing comfort. Could help with screen-related eye fatigue. Some users report feeling more comfortable during long screen sessions, although the evidence for blue light filtering remains mixed. Where the hype falls apart, they do not give you superhuman vision. This is the biggest issue. Marketing sometimes makes ordinary lens technologies sound revolutionary when there are actually common features available from many eyewear brands. Claims about dramatically improving focus are often exaggerated. Glasses can improve comfort and vision correction, but they generally do not boost concentration or cognitive performance. Blue light benefits are frequently overstated. Research has not consistently shown that blue light blocking glasses significantly reduce digital eye strain for most users. So, what's so special about VisionSync glasses? Short answer: they may offer useful comfort and lens features, but there is little reason to assume they're dramatically different from other quality eyewear options. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.